Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well today. This video is designed to give you an update on the exciting new things going on here at Econ Course Companion. My name is Brad Cartwright. If you have been following this channel for the last 2.5 years, you have known this channel as Brad Cartwright IB Economics. And the first thing I want to say to you, everybody, is thank you so much. Over 6,000 subscribers, nearly 1 million views in 2.5 years. And as an IB Economics teacher here in Santiago, Chile, with my 60 kids, the idea that these videos have been used in classrooms around the world, that students are listening and learning from the information being provided via these videos is exceptionally flattering, it's exceptionally gratifying, and just the idea that YouTube can provide a platform for all of us to learn about something that we really love, in this case, economics, it's just mind-boggling to me. And it doesn't matter how long I'm on YouTube. It doesn't matter how savvy I get with tech. That reality to me is just incredible. So thank you to all of you who have been watching over the last couple years. This video is designed to talk about the new direction of Brad Cartwright IB Economics. As you know, the channel's name has been changed to Econ Course Companion. And the idea is that Econ IB Economics is a theoretically based course. It's based on theory. And you as students go through the course and you're learning all this theory, but really what you need is you need something to expand your understanding of economics into the real world on a regular basis. And Econ Course Companion is designed to be that place where you can take the theory you learn in class, watch some videos on YouTube, but then be connected via Twitter and Instagram to have a more general understanding of how these economic theories play out in the real world. And you don't even really have to do anything, right? What do you have to do? Nothing, sitting on your phone. Go to Econ Course Companion on Twitter. If you don't have a Twitter account, get a Twitter account and follow Econ Course Companion on Twitter. Why? Because we are going to start, and we already have, filtering news from the best news sources around the world, from the very institutions that you study in class, the International Monetary Fund, the World Trade Organization, information from the best news sources, and I'm going to filter them. We're going to take a look at them and say, hey, will this be helpful to IB students? Would IB students need this information? Would it help them understand development if we send them, retweet this information from the UN Development Program? And if you are on Twitter with Econ Course Companion, you will gain this information subtly, slowly, without really even doing anything, right? It just ends up on your phone. So follow Econ Course Companion on Twitter. We will be sending to you daily tweets of information that is super helpful to you in understanding the broader applications of the theory that you're understanding in class, that you're learning in class. Okay? So follow on Twitter. The second thing, of course, you're looking at the screen, you see Instagram. Follow Econ Course Companion on Instagram. Instagram is going to be the place where we post information, right? Maybe it's a little short little video. Maybe it's just a quote. Maybe it's something that's really helpful. Maybe when we post new information on YouTube, we will, put a post out on Instagram and you'll be able to know, okay? The other thing about Instagram that's so great is that it is a vehicle through which I, as an IB teacher, can take thoughts that I have as I'm traveling through southern Chile, through northern Chile, or wherever my travels may take me, and very quickly pass them on to you. And you can think about them in terms of development, right? In terms of international trade, in terms of, government investment in infrastructure, in education, in healthcare, the very things you need to know in order to write a really effective evaluation on paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, and also on your internal assessments. And I can do it really quickly and easily and share information that, quite frankly, isn't worthy enough of a whole YouTube post. Okay? So IB Course Companion, YouTube, IB Course Companion on Twitter, IB Course Companion on Instagram. The idea here is that through your association with this channel, you really will have a guide through your 2-year course of study of IB Economics. And the last thing I want to let you know is, yes, that really is my van. That really is my 2016 Toyota Hayase camper van. I converted the back of it into a bed. so that I can travel throughout all of South America. That is really my surfboard. And I live in Chile, and Chile is the most fascinating country. It has the Andes Mountains, of course, which I live at the base of. It has Patagonia in the south. It has the Atacama Desert in the north, and of course, the ridiculously beautiful Pacific coast all the way down its western border. So I just want to mention that, and it's through that van that I see a lot of different things that are going on around me. Maybe just somebody walking by me in the street, somebody in downtown Santiago, or maybe, you know, a sheep herder in Patagonia. And via these three mechanisms, hopefully you will be able to gain a better understanding of the world around us, but applied towards your study of IB economics. All right. Thank you so much for listening. I'm really excited about the new direction of Econ Course Companion. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and we'll talk to you in a bit.